Hello friends,
आवाज कळत समोर असे बसा बाळासाहेब.
hello friends. Firstly, great evening to all of you. So firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Kiran, and thank you sir for giving the opportunity to talk in front of everyone. So today's our topic is what is the importance of chess and game also. So you will know the importance of chess by the angle of me. If you will know that the chess is why is chess important, because if chess is a type of a game in which our mind becomes sharp and it is help to us daily in our daily lives, just in our study also, and in your examination also chess helps us. So what can you say?
Yes, sir. Chess is the most important in every person's life. Firstly, introduce myself. My name is Poonam Gawate and I am learning 8th standard. So our topic is the why chess important and also the other games is important. So chess is the most important in every person's life. Chess is the important more than the life, because without the chess our life is dull. Anyone person does not know about the chess. So he does not play the chess as one task. But after some time he play chess as one task. According to the me, if you have to play the chess, so your mind is very sharp and you do anything. And in the study you can do anything. You can track any exam. Just in a CET, in a
Yes, I totally appreciate with you, Poonam, that if we will know the meaning of the chess, that time we will able to know that we are a best person. Because if anyone doesn't know the what is mean by chess, by the angle of me is a person who is to be that. If a chess is a type of a game, just it is not for a enjoyment and not for a joy. It is a type of game. It sharp our mind. It increase our grasping power also. Chess is a very important than our life. That if we play chess, that if we play chess, it is sometimes helpful for us in our school also. That if we know how to play chess, our image become very different than other student in our class. If our teachers know that the student will know the chess, so that's time our value become increase in front of our teacher staff. So what can you
Yes,
say?
I totally agree with you, Kiran. You have to tell this is also one right. If you have to play the chess, so your grasping power and your study and your mind is very sharp. And due to the chess, your consistency is very good in a study and in anything. You can do anything as a consistent. If you have to crack the CET, NEET, JEE, in this exam, in this competitive exam, the consistency is the most important. So by the angle of me, if we have to play the chess as one task, so you can track any exam according to the me. If you have to do the study as one task, so you can track any exam. And we have to talk about the any other games. This is the most important because due to this our exercise had done. So what?
Yes, I totally appreciate with you. Chess is a type of game. It is different than other games, because if we see that other game, it is very different from the chess. Because in other games are like outdoor games and indoor games. Chess is a type of a game in which we focus on our game. We will know what move we play, and that's time our mind becomes sharp. And if we will know that how do we play perfectly, so it is helpful for you and your future also. And the chess game is very different than other game, because you will know that chess is an indoor game. But if we stay in that indoor games like ludo or carom, it is not helpful for you by the angle of me. Chess is a different type of game which is helpful for you and your mind also. So what can you say?
Yes, if you have to play the chess as one as you can do anything. If you have to play the chess just for fun, so you cannot do anything. Anyone student thinking is that if I'm lost in this exam, so I cannot do anything. But this thinking is a very bad, because
Yes, I totally appreciate with you that now I think that lots of students, as per sir saying that lots of children that think I will doesn't win in that 2 or 3 tournaments. So it is a very bad thing. If you don't know that if you will do or more and more tournaments, so that's time you will get a perfect experience. So that's time you will fight. You will definitely get a success in your life. So lastly, I suggest you that I think you will know that the meaning of a chess. So this is enough for us. So thank you.